The difference between simple shapes and powerful design often comes down to how you combine them. Today, how to create complex shape compositions. Open Adobe Photoshop and start by creating a new canvas sized 2000 by 2000 pixels with a clean white background so every shape stands out clearly. Select the Rectangle tool and draw a large base shape using a deep navy color. Then switch to the Ellipse tool and add a few circles overlapping the rectangle with lighter tones like soft cyan and warm orange. Now open the Layers panel and begin organizing your composition by stacking shapes at different levels while adjusting opacity slightly around